Septic tank maintenance, tackling solid waste the right way. A septic system only works well if solids are managed properly. Without the right care, buildup can cause clogs, odors, and expensive repairs. Septic tank maintenance is the smartest way to keep your system efficient and long-lasting. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Know the solid waste layers. Waste in the tank separates into scum, liquid, and sludge. Over time, sludge grows thicker, leaving less room for wastewater treatment. If it overflows, the drain field may fail. 2. Stick to a pumping schedule. Every 3 to 5 years, the tank should be pumped to clear out sludge. Delaying this service risks hardened buildup and costly damage. 3. Be careful with disposal. Flushing wipes, grease, or sanitary products speeds up solid buildup. Only biodegradable waste should go down the drain. 4. Use bacterial additives. Adding probiotics or natural bacteria helps break down organic matter. These boost efficiency but are not a substitute for pumping. 5. Schedule annual inspections. Yearly inspections check sludge depth and outlet filters. Early detection of excess solids prevents surprise failures. 6. Protect the drain field. Solids that escape the tank can clog soil and pipes. This leads to pooling wastewater and system breakdown. Maintaining solids inside the tank keeps the drain field safe. 7. Value long-term savings. Preventive care costs little compared to full system replacement. Consistent maintenance extends septic life and ensures reliable performance. Septic tank maintenance means tackling solid waste before it gets out of control. With regular pumping, inspections, and smart habits, homeowners can avoid backups and enjoy a system that works smoothly for decades. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.